How did we turn our kitchen and pantry from this to this? Hi lovely, welcome to our part 7 home update video where I share the process and reveal of our newly updated all-white kitchen and pantry. Tune in until the end. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing before you go. Now let's get right into it. Starting from our pantry, we removed these wire shelves, prepped the wall for the installers. My vision for our pantry was to take our small limited space and maximize it the best way possible with no wasted space. I wanted to make sure it flows with the rest of the kitchen nicely, and to do so we added 3 wooden shelves, backsplash same as our kitchen, countertop and cabinets in the bottom for more storage. Since our pantry light is hidden and you don't really see it, instead of buying a new light, we did an easy DIY by painting the base brass to match it with our kitchen pendant lights and accessories, and it turned out beautiful. They are removing our old countertop to replace it with our new white alabaster quartz. We chose quartz over marble because it's more durable, and unlike marble, quartz won't absorb moisture, and as long as you clean stains such as wine or coffee right away, you'll be good to go. Moving on to getting our sink and faucet installed, we got our sink and air gap filler from Amazon. Our faucet is from Home Depot. Links to all products mentioned in this video will be listed under my description below for you. We got 4 of our upper cabinet doors cut to add glasses, which we found it to be a great way to elevate our kitchen and save money at the same time. We had a traditional style kitchen island, and this time we chose a beautiful waterfall style kitchen island that I think is so modern and changed the entire look of our kitchen. Our backsplash tile, Crystal Bianco 12 inch by 24 inches from Home Depot. It is absolutely stunning and it goes beautifully with our new countertop. We love our new GE gas range oven. It looks beautiful and our kitchen has a professional feel to it. It is backless, which I was looking for, easy and convenient to use with a safety lock feature if you have small kids, and the center griddle is a fantastic addition. Moving on to unboxing our new quartz flush mount light that we got from CB2, which is going to be installed above our sink. You guys, this light is so beautiful, adds a touch of the unexpected. It's nice to have something so lovely where it can be admired all the time by us and guests. And this light will be also a great addition to kids' bedroom and any bathroom. I'll make sure to link it below for you. Okay, this is so gorgeous. What do you think, lovely? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, moving on to unboxing our new pendant lights to go above our kitchen island. You have no idea how long it took me to decide what pendant light I want to go for, but finally went with a Blair 6.5 inch pendant light from Rejuvenation. aged brass finish with a glass shade. I love that it is just the right size for our kitchen, easy to clean, and does not cover our kitchen cabinets behind it. So gorgeous, and I call it my little pearl lights. I love it. So I'll make sure to link that below for you too. To accessorize our kitchen cabinets, we went with unlacquered brass cabinet knobs and drawer pulls from Rejuvenation. Such an amazing quality, and I love how it transformed our kitchen. Okay, lovely, it's time to show you the before and after and the details of everything in our kitchen and pantry. Enjoy! Our cabinet glass doors turned out so beautiful. I cannot wait to decorate it all. I'm planning to cover these holes using a plate cover from IKEA or Amazon. My vision for this side of our kitchen is to use the upper cabinet to display our coffee and teacups, along with some functional and decorative items, and to set up our coffee and tea station on the counter. We upgraded our basic light switch to this more modern dimmer switch. We switched all lights bulbs to LED dimmable in the living room and kitchen, including the down lights. By switching to LED, we will save energy because less energy is used for reduced output levels, extended life. Plus, dimmable LED bulbs are perfect for creating mood lighting and perfect atmosphere for movie nights in or romantic meals. I am so happy we made this change. As I mentioned earlier, this stove has a safety lock if you have little ones like I do, but on top of that, we got this clear stove knob covers from Amazon. It comes 5 in a pack. I love that they look so good on our stove. I'll make sure to link it below for you. To steam clean our oven, all we gotta do is pour 1 cup of water in the middle right there. Press start and we'll be good to go.
Sunset, a flavor of a memory. Whenever all the stars above are shining, then I know I'll never be alone. Wherever all my wishes may be heading, a part of us will never leave. Oh, wherever in the world you may be hiding, in a while I know you're coming home.
One thing I love about our pantry is this backsplash countertop, the cabinets. It just flows beautifully with the rest of the kitchen. For our pantry counter, we went with white laminate to save money, and it is amazingly similar to our kitchen quartz counter. My plan for this empty wall spaces to add 2 shelves on the top and below the shelves to create a tiny kitchen area for my girls to store their cups, plates, and a DIY cooking and hand washing station. And finally, we'll be placing my rose flowers into this gorgeous honeycomb vase I got from Anthropology, and it will be the end of my part 7 home update video. I hope you enjoyed and liked our new updated kitchen and pantry as much as we did. If you did, let me know in the comments below how you like it. If you have any questions at all, on my next few videos, we will be decorating and organizing our kitchen and pantry. So tune into that. Don't forget to subscribe here and follow me on Instagram for daily home updates. Until I see you on my next video, this is Ethiopia saying goodbye. I know I'll never be alone. Then I know I'll never ever be alone.
be coming home.